Whether you're returning to the office, working from home, or a combination of the two, accommodating flexible work styles is key. Organizations also need to provide an intuitive, flexible, and secure experience for employees in the office. Workspace Reservation brings all this together by enabling users to book desks and spaces directly from an interactive map. Let's take a look. Let's say you're planning to come into the office next week and want to book a space in advance. From your desktop, you can open a map of the office and see which spaces are available, from touch devices and phones to an empty desk. You can even see where your colleagues are sitting that day. It's easy to select and book a seat. Or even better, you can ask Zoom to recommend a seat for you. Zoom's built-in intelligence will help select the best seat based on things like your preferences and even which of your frequent collaborators might be in the office that day. When you arrive in the office, a map of the floor plan is displayed using a Zoom Rooms kiosk. If you didn't book a seat already, you can easily find and reserve a seat using the interactive touch display. Once you book your seat in advance, you can pull up your mobile phone to help guide you to your desk. At your desk, the Zoom Rooms appliance or Zoom Phone appliance shows that it's reserved for you. You can easily scan the QR code with your phone to confirm your check-in. Now, the desk transforms into a personal space, fully customized for you. It has your calendar and your contacts, so you can quickly go on with your work. It's just like bringing your home office with you. And at the end of the day, you are automatically signed out, so your data is never left behind. Workspace Reservation will help you build dynamic offices that streamline workflows and empower employees. With a seamless setup and device-agnostic flexibility, you can create the frictionless hybrid workspaces your teams need to succeed.